Have you ever wondered where Tangerine Bank, that online-only Canadian bank, actually originated from? It's a question that's popped up in the minds of many curious customers and financial enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into the history and origins of this unique financial institution. Before we get to the heart of the matter, let's quickly understand what Tangerine Bank is all about. It's a direct bank, meaning it doesn't have physical branches. Instead, it operates entirely online, offering a range of financial products and services to its customers. This innovative approach has made it a popular choice for many people seeking convenience and competitive rates. Now, let's get to the question that brought us here. Where did Tangerine Bank come from? The bank's roots can be traced back to 1997 when it was founded as ING Direct Canada. ING Direct was a subsidiary of ING Group, a Dutch multinational financial services company. The idea behind ING Direct was to offer a simple, no-frills banking experience with a focus on savings and investment products. In its early years, ING Direct Canada faced challenges in gaining traction in the Canadian market. However, the bank's unique value proposition and innovative approach gradually started to resonate with customers. By offering high-interest savings accounts and competitive mortgage rates, ING Direct managed to carve out a niche for itself in the Canadian banking landscape. One of the defining moments in ING Direct's history was the GIC controversy of 2011. The bank faced criticism for offering guaranteed investment certificates, GICs, with interest rates that were significantly lower than advertised. This led to a class action lawsuit and negative publicity for the bank. While ING Direct eventually reached a settlement with the affected customers, the controversy had a lasting impact on its reputation. In 2014, ING Direct Canada underwent a major rebranding and changed its name to Tangerine. The new name was chosen to reflect the bank's fresh approach and commitment to simplicity. The rebranding also marked a significant shift in Tangerine's marketing strategy, as the bank began to focus on building a stronger brand identity and attracting a wider customer base. Today, Tangerine is a well-established Canadian bank with a loyal customer base. It continues to offer a range of financial products and services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, mortgages, and investments. The bank's online-only model has made it a popular choice for tech-savvy consumers who prefer the convenience of digital banking. So, to answer the original question, Tangerine Bank originated from ING Direct Canada, which was founded in 1997 as a subsidiary of ING Group. While the bank faced challenges in its early years, it eventually gained traction through its innovative approach and competitive offerings. The GIC controversy of 2011 was a significant event in Tangerine's history, but the bank managed to overcome the negative publicity and continue to grow. Tangerine's journey from a small subsidiary to a major Canadian bank is a testament to its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and meet the needs of its customers. By focusing on simplicity, convenience, and competitive rates, Tangerine has carved out a unique niche in the Canadian banking industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.